Hi everyone! Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a professional exploring AI, or just curious about the latest trends, you have probably heard about the buzz around Agentic AI. Currently, the AI agent market is roughly valued at $5 billion. But that's just the beginning. Over the next 6 years, it's projected to skyrocket at an annual growth rate of 45%, reaching a market value of $47 billion by 2030. So interested in becoming an Agentic AI expert to tap into this huge market? This roadmap will guide you to become an Agentic AI expert in 2025. Let's dive in. Step 1. Build foundational knowledge in generative AI. Kickstart your journey by understanding the fundamentals of generative AI with hands-on experiments using diverse tools. Explore their capabilities from generating text and images to creating music. Get a basic understanding of the capabilities and limitations of large language models. Also, learn about the different ways to use large language models like prompt engineering, fine-tuning, RAGs, and agents. Step 2. Experiment with no-code agent-building tools. Once the basics are clear, leverage no-code platforms like Relevant State AI and Wordware to create simple AI agents without programming. These tools are beginner-friendly and enable the creation of practical applications in areas like automation and personal productivity. For example, create an agent that automatically organizes emails or a chatbot that responds to customer queries in real time. This hands-on experience will help you understand the real potential of agentic systems. Step 3. Learn basic programming for AI. We need to enable ourselves to build complex agents. The best way to do this is to code your agentic systems with Python. So, learn Python code concepts like variables, loops, and data structures. Step 4. Master prompt engineering. A critical skill in agentic AI is crafting effective prompts. Begin with simple techniques such as zero-shot, one-shot, and few-shot prompting. Then jump to advanced prompting techniques such as tree of thought and chain of thought prompting. Step 5. Build advanced agentic systems. Now it's time to scale up and build advanced agents that can manage complex workflows and tasks. Based on your needs and existing workflow, choose any one of the powerful frameworks you learned about earlier. Dive deep into the documentation of these frameworks. Start building and integrating agentic systems in your workflows to bring maximum automation. If you found this video informative, subscribe to Ask a Solution for more AI content.